Hello everyone, it's Amanda from Crystal Coast Originals. Thank you so much for checking out my video. So the painting you're going to see in the video today is this one right here. It is a swipe and spin canyon pour. And I'm so excited because my online course for this swipe and spin technique has launched today, Wednesday, March 13th. It's available on my website, crystalcoastoriginals.com. I also wanted to give you guys a little bit more information about the course. Everyone who purchases the Swipe and Spin course will also receive my Fluid Acrylics Foundation course for free. And you have this course for a lifetime, you guys. There are no limits. You can watch it as many times as you want. It is a self-paced video course, so you can pause, rewind, fast forward as much as you need to. I'm going to be offering a special price for the first week only. The original price is $59.99, but for the first week, the special price is $49.99. Again, this special price will only run from March 13th until March 20th. For more information, you can check out my website, crystalcoastoriginals.com, and click on the Courses tab. If you have any questions, you can email me or send me a message through my website. I'm so excited for you guys to see this course. I think you'll really enjoy it, and I think you'll find a lot of useful information that will help you with this technique. All right, you guys, so now for the painting you're going to see in the video. It is this guy right here. I'm really happy with how this turned out. I think my favorite part is this little part right here. I love the colors and I love the flow. So I did a painting very similar to this one with the same colors a few weeks ago. The only difference is I changed the order of how I layered the paint. So the one I did a few weeks ago was blue on the bottom and red oxide on the top. And this one was switched. So I had red oxide on the bottom and blue on the top. So yeah, really loving how this turned out. I like how you can switch the colors with this style of painting and get a completely different looking painting. Very cool. So again, please do not forget that the Swipe and Spin online course is available on my website, crystalcoastoriginals.com. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.